Alright, I'm going to do my review on the GearWrench 3/8 drive SAE metric 6-point socket set. Item number 80550. Alright, let's unbox it here. Alright, has this plastic case. Seems pretty sturdy. Little stubby 3/8 drive ratchet. Says 84 tooth. The deep well sockets go from 6 to 19. Pretty clearly marked. Standard sockets from 6 to 19. Deep wells go to 1/4 to 7/8, and the same over here, except it goes all the way to 1 inch. One thing I did notice when I was putting on the universal joint here, there's no release like you would have on other ratchets, so if your hands are greasy, it might be kind of hard to remove your socket. Also, the thickness, that was kind of interesting. The ratchet here is another 3/8. That's a DeWalt 3/8 compared to the GearWrench. You can see the size and thickness. It's noticeably thinner and lighter than the DeWalt, but still feels pretty substantial. GearWrench 3/8 set seems pretty well made. I believe these are made in Taiwan as well. There you go. Yep. The top comes off fairly easy, so you can fit it in a toolbox, which is what I plan on doing. Should last me for years to come here. I'll do more reviews on it whenever I actually use it, work on my cars or whatever around the house. As you can see here, it fits decently in my little Craftsman roll around toolbox. It's probably where it's going to stay. Pretty accessible to everything I need. Alright, got any questions, let me know.